Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading to for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates, guys. And sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, hit nyo na lang yung subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. And yan, kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader, open siya sa personal reading. Ayan. And start na natin. What do we have here for the sign of Libra? For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. You do have here the Ace of Wands, the Chariot, and the Devil. Ayan, dalawang major arcana. Tapos, Queen of Swords is here. Okay, so, at the bottom of the deck. Followed by the Moon. Okay, so sa nakikita ko dito, with the Devil, nakikita natin ito as like, this is you. Sa ngayon, pwedeng may galit or may inis ka. Either with the person na kakonect mo or yung person na feeling mo nagmamanipula sa kanya. Like, alin man doon. You're dealing with the person na pwedeng iniiwasan lumalayo. Either ikaw itong lumalayo or umiiwas sa kanya, or siya itong lumalayo or umiiwas sa'yo. And the reason is the Devil. So, nakikita natin yung inis mo dito sa taong to. And then, you're focusing on the Ace of Wands, mga new beginnings sa buhay mo. Like, nilalagyan mo ng action lahat ng new beginnings na to. Whether it's a new love, new connection, new beginning na may kinalaman sa sarili mo, sa health mo, sa work mo. So, I don't know. There's a lot of new beginning for you. And nandun yung focus mo, and it's okay, diba? Kina-cut off mo, the Queen of Swords, with the Moon, these people na hindi nagiging honest or open sa'yo. So, all in all nga kasi, focus mo is the new beginnings, and maybe you are giving this self-respect, self-love sa sarili mo. Sino to person nakakonect mo? Person nakakonect mo, the Emperor, the Empress. The Empress, the Emperor is here. The Tower, okay. So, this is a person in the past, so nag-end yung sa inyo. You feel like this is the person na parang kapareho mo, or pwedeng may similarities sa inyo, the Emperor, the Empress. This is like kapareho mo. Gusto mo, or you really do admire this person. Gusto mo siya physically, attracted ka sa kanya. 8 of Wands, sorry about my voice nga pala kasi medyo may sakit pa ako ngayon. But anyway, 7 of Pentacles, so this person is someone na pwedeng walang movement na nangyayari sa inyo or sa kanya, hindi siya nagmo-move or gumagawa ng action, anything. And so there's an ending na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na to. The Page of Wands is here. But I feel like itong person na to is gustong makipag-communicate, but may pumipigil sa kanya. Ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? The Lovers is here. So, lalo na kung may naging partnership or relationship sa inyo na wherein pantay you are a Libra. So, alam mo kung ano ang pantay sa hindi. Kung equal yung give and take sa relationship, sa connection. 2 of Cups. Nandun yung ramdam mo kung ano yung meron sa inyo nitong person na to, kung ano yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. The Moon is here. You can really feel kung ano yung sinisekreto niya, emotion niya para sa'yo. Regarding sa emotion mo, I mean, I can see love, pero it's a kind of love na parang kaya mong i-handle. Emotion ng person na ito towards you. Emotion niya patungkol sa'yo. Wait lang, nalaglag. Okay, I'm back. The Temperance is here. Knight of Swords. Clarify that gusto kong kumuha ng ibang energy. Kasi nakakuha ko ng magkaibang energy eh. So, pwedeng alin man dito. Wait lang guys. Hello, I'm back. So, dalawa kasi yung kinuha ko kasi dalawang energy yung nakuha ko. And ba sa inyo with the Knight of Swords, if this is a person na pwedeng umiwas, nag-travel, lumayo sa'yo, the Temperance is here. I feel like this person is waiting for something. May bagay siyang hinihintay. Ano hinihintay niya? I mean, it has something to do sa mga dreams niya, goals niya sa buhay. And clarify the 6 of Cups and the 10 of Pentacles. Hindi ko na ipakita guys kasi honestly, hindi mo naman din makikita yung card dahil ay nakikita naman siya. Kaya lang may ano siya nagpa-flash yung ilaw sa card kasi holographic yung card. Anyway, the 10 of Pentacles, this is showing us like a person in the past na more on material things ang pinagpo-focusan nitong taong to. Alam mo naman yun kung mukhang pera yung person na kakonect mo. Pero this person miss you. May nakikita tayo ditong ahas eh. What's with the snake? This person is trapped. 8 of Swords. So, could be trapped in a situation, relationship, connection, justice card, maybe even marriage. Live-in, pwede na rin nating samahin yan. But with the Star, medyo parang ang tingin niya ngayon sa'yo is the Star. I want something. I want you. Gusto kita. Kaya lang parang ang hirap kasi there's this snake or there's someone na nagiging dahilan para hindi siya makagawa ng movement niya towards you. This could be a person in the past. What will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? Okay, may lumabas. Page of Cups. May mga taong kailangan kang layuan. You do have here or lalayuan mo talaga, 8 of Swords. This could be a person who is very immature. Maybe someone na kausap mo na kailang masyado siyang immature or kakonect maybe. Or a person who is nagpe-present or pine-present yung emotions niya towards you. But this person is someone who is very immature. The moon is here. Pwede may mga sinisikreto siya. Basta may someone kang iiwasan because this person is immature. Emotionally immature. Pwedeng hindi siya nagiging honest sa'yo. But Ace of Cups, I see a lot of love here mula dun sa person na yon. Pero ikaw yung umiiwas or lumalayo. And either dahil sinasabi niya yung emotions niya sa'yo or pwedeng hindi naman niya sinasabi. Alin man doon, basta may pag-iwas kang gagawin. In the future, I mean, I can see a lot of people na nagpe-present ng sarili nila sa'yo, like a lot of connection here. Pero mas busy ka dito sa responsibilidad mo sa buhay. You are the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles. And marami kang obligasyon, responsibilidad. So, nandun yung focus mo. So, may mga taong dumadating sa'yo in the near future. Pero, hindi kasi yun talaga yung priority mo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.